Alright guys, I just sold the Civic. Well, actually I traded it for this thing. I know what you're thinking. This one needs the same amount of work the other one does. Maybe even a little bit more. But I had an old Del Sol. Show you a picture of it here. That old Del Sol I had was pretty sweet. I liked it a lot, did a bunch of work to it, and I've always liked them. Always enjoyed Del Sols. So wanted another one, and this one has this in it. A full V18 swap in this thing, so pretty awesome. So it's got a full GSR tranny, engine, everything, so it should feel pretty good. And if we're going to turbo one, this is one to turbo. So I don't know how quick I'm going to turbo it, but you know, we'll play around with it and do some things and see where we're at. But I'm kind of excited about it. So, and I still got to keep my steering wheel to match the wheels, which is freaking awesome. And I may do something with the paint on this thing, and well, we'll do something, but I don't know what we'll do. So we'll see. There it is, got my wheel in here. It's got the VMS quick release. It's got this huge adapter. So this thing's fairly close to me. I'll probably put a short hub on it just because this has such a good deep dish. But this is it. I mean, it needs a little bit of work in here, but should be pretty good. It does grind in third like most old Hondas and stuff do, so we'll see, but I'm kind of excited about it. All right, guys, there it is. Next morning, and I like this thing a lot. Like, I'm probably as excited about getting another Del Sol as I was about getting the S2000 again. That probably sounds silly to some of y'all, but I just like these cars. And this one's set up pretty good already. It's got a good engine in it. It's got good suspension under it. It's got cool wheels and tires already on it. And it's got a few other things. All the suspension is all skunk 2 coilover stuff. It's got Jason Waters tuning ECU in it, and all that stuff's been done. VTEC kicks in at 4200. So it's pretty neat. Definitely needs a little bit of work. It's got some stuff to figure out on it, and this older paint started flaking and stuff, so they hit it with some spray paint. I may do something with it. I don't know. Hadn't figured that part out yet, but we'll see. So I actually think this is the only dent in it. It looks like something just fell down and bumped it a little bit, so that needs to be smoothed out there. But the rest of it's just like chipping paint and stuff, so it needs to be smoothed down a little bit. And really, I mean, this thing could have a nice paint job on it fairly easily. A lot easier than the Civic could have, because it had a fair amount of body work that needed to be done. But I don't even see any door dings in this thing. So I mean, body wise, it's pretty good. So headlights need restored or replaced. The rear tail lights are actually pretty good, but I may end up tinting them. So I don't know, we'll see. But these wheels are pretty killer, and I actually think these are the exact same wheels that I was looking at trying to buy for the Civic. because these were on Facebook for a while. If not, they're exactly like them, so but they're pretty cool. So luckily, you know, I did get to keep the steering wheel, so I still got a little bit of mint, and need some interior pieces replaced and stuff in here. But what's funny is this car smells exactly like my old Del Sol when I got it. The smell of that interior is one of those little sticks that was in there, but it's the same flavor, not flavor, smell, I don't know, fragrance that was on my other one. So whenever I open the door and smell it, like it literally smells just like my old car, which is kind of silly. But this is it though, and I like it a lot. The windows are all tinted out. It's got a few things done to it. Definitely needs a little work, and I'm thinking either flat black the whole thing or flat white the whole thing. I actually think the flat white with the wheels and stuff might look kind of cool. Get the interior pieces fixed. I don't know, we'll see. I think before I turbo this one or do anything like that, I'm probably just gonna get all the bugs worked out and get it nice looking before I do, you know, crazy modifications or anything. So pretty cool. It also has a Mugen rear sway bar right here, so that's kind of nice. So this thing has some type of stainless exhaust system on it, and some other stuff up under here. And just added a Avenue Performance sticker. Support my man Carlos. This is nice.